Have you ever wondered where is the balance between simplicity and profitability? Okay, I think I have got the answer. So, Olivia with you again, and today I have got not just a unique strategy, but also a unique story. So, this strategy was shown to me by my subscriber. Yes, he figured out the indicator himself and made his profit. So I tweaked it a bit, and with his permission, I am sharing it with you. So intrigued, let's get started. Alright, let's start, and of course with the setup first. I slightly changed the value my subscriber used, but you will see it all now. So to begin, we set the time frame to second 30, and we have only one indicator. It's the Shaff Trend Cycle. So this is the one my subscriber used, and thanks to his results, I decided to break down this strategy and show it to you clearly. But we will adjust the settings a bit. So here is 2, here is 35, 6 days assist, and there, okay, here is 1. Okay, there we go. Look, all the values are right in front of you guys. Save it, and now we need to find a good and favorite pair. So here is our setup. I'm going short. What do we see here? First, we have got the downtrend, and our indicator, as you might guess from the name, shows us trend cycles. So we have got a downtrend, but there are some green candles, some red ones, yet overall the price is dropping. And our indicator line signals which trend cycle we are in. See, we had a price pick up, but despite that, the indicator line is dropping, meaning the price should hit down soon. Honestly, you could catch these trend cycles without an indicator, but I'm sure for many newbies, having one makes it way easier to navigate the chart and spot setups like these. Check out how our first trade plays out, guys. I bet a lot of people wouldn't have missed it or gone long here because I have been a newbie too, and it's normal not to know everything. So the key is to keep learning and figuring it out, because without knowledge and experience, success won't come. Look at these gorgeous red candles, guys. The price is constantly dropping. Even if we hit a support level now, our expiration time should be enough to lock in profit this trade. And there it is, our first trade closes in the green, and pretty nicely too. We could go long now to catch more cycles, but I don't want to stick to just one trend for these demos, so I will pick another currency pair for you and we'll keep going. Okay, here's our next pair, and I will go long for 2 minutes here too. So we have got an uptrend forming, and our indicator just hit the lower boundary not long ago. Okay, that tells us the price should rise soon. See, it stands set up big candle wicks, but the uptrend formation and indicator suggest that trade closing in profit. Just look how beautifully and impulsively the price shuts up. Just a minute left to grab another profit with this super simple strategy. But like with any strategy, don't forget risk management, guys. See, with $67,000 balance, I'm not jumping in with $20,000 or $30,000. I'm opening trades at $500. Why? If I lose $500 on a trade, stuff happens even to pros, I can easily recover it with the next one and get back in the green. But if I went in with $20,000-$30,000 trade, just 2-3 losses would wipe my balance, and I couldn't recover from zero. I would have to refill my account and start over. So be super careful and factor risks into your trading. Okay, meanwhile our long trades also hitting profit. We timed it perfectly. Waited for the ideal moment, I would say, and $460 gets added to our balance. Okay. All right, I will find one more trade for you on another currency pair and then we'll wrap up. So here is a setup I like going long again. We have got a big confident uptrend, our indicator deep down and should rise now. So we waited for this moment and I don't see that should stop us from taking profit. Sure, you could trade 1 minute or 1.5 minute trade with this strategy, but from my experience, 2 minutes trade with this indicator and chart settings are optimal. Win rates around 70%, which is honestly amazing for a single indicator strategy. So take advantage of it. While this trade's running, a quick reminder, you will always find up-to-date links to my Telegram channel and platform in this video's description. If you are already in my Telegram and need the platform link is there too, no need to reopen YouTube and click through. I try to keep everything as convenient as possible because I get how tough it can be for newbies, and my goal is to help you out by making it all super simple, guys. That trade was a bit of a nail biter, but we got the profit. In moments like these, if you don't stick to risk management, you could lose. But we stayed disciplined, followed the rules, and came out a hit. So with that, let's wrap up and sum it all up. Okay guys, just one indicator but so many possibilities. So this is the result I mean when I talked about balancing simplicity and profitability. So try it out, share your results, and don't forget the like and subscribe. So see you in the next time.